Okay, here's the new pole. You just twist this down. You can see how nice it works. You can loosen it up. It hardly turns. And the key is you just tighten it up. It goes down. So, up the daisy. Stops. Look at that. Less than 1.5 pounds. This is number 8. Number 8 section. Number 7 section. These are our extensions. You can put up to 4 of them for 40 feet. And they are stiff and they are sturdy. And we quit sanding it. So you have better wear. So all in all, huge improvement on the SimPole. You can get your Chinese copies. But one thing about SimPole, the design, our 1.6 Wa, our thickness of the carbon fiber, the combination of the carbon fiber, this being UD in 3K, but it's 3K unsanded. So makes for a beautiful pole, sturdy, come a long way in 9 years. So next time you're out for a pole, look up SimPole.com, SimPole, and know you're getting designed by a window cleaner that has cleaned for 45 years, that has done water fed since 1983, was not selling computers 25 years ago. I was window cleaning since I was 15 years old. So again, try the mighty SimPole.